Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer data from MongoDB to PostgreSQL, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To transfer data from MongoDB to PostgreSQL, begin by ensuring both databases are properly installed and running. Start by identifying the data you want to transfer from MongoDB. Next, install MongoDB and PostgreSQL connectors if you haven't already. Open your command line interface to access MongoDB. Use the Mongo export command to export your data from MongoDB in a JSON or CSV format. For example, the command might look like this: Mongo export DB your database collection out your data.json. Make sure to replace your database and your collection with the actual names you are working with. Once the export process is complete, navigate to your PostgreSQL environment. Create a new table in PostgreSQL that matches the structure of your MongoDB data. You can do this using the SQL command: create table your table, column 1 data type, column 2 data type. Ensure that the column names and data types align with the data you exported. Next, use the PSQL command line tool to import your JSON or CSV file into PostgreSQL. For CSV files, the command will look like this: copy your table from path / your data.csv delimiter, CSV header. For JSON files, you may need to use a different approach, such as a PostgreSQL extension or a script, to parse the JSON data. Run the import command and monitor for any errors in the process. Once the data is successfully imported, verify the integrity of the data by running select queries in PostgreSQL. Make sure all records are present and formatted correctly. After confirming successful transfer, you can begin using your data in PostgreSQL as needed. This concludes the data transfer process from MongoDB to PostgreSQL. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.